Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a very quick look at the latest build of Windows 10 Redstone 5. Build 17738 was released yesterday, and of course it's another really fast build, as we had two builds last week, two builds the week before. Already have a build for this week, which kind of points to possibly another build this week again. And what's new? Well, nothing, if that's what you're pretty much looking at. I'm mostly just reporting on its stability. Some people have mentioned that there were some strange install phase where it went to a certain number and a certain percentage, and it eventually went back down to like 30%. And I unfortunately do not know the time and how long it took to install, because I wasn't there. I know that the preparation phase was about the same time that it is usually 2 hours, 2 hours and a half on this machine, because I remotely restarted the PC so that it could install the build. But the install itself, I couldn't, I wasn't there, so I don't know what it looked like and what happened. I would guess it went well, because of course I am at 17738. It's a pretty feature complete Windows 10 version. The fact that there's no updates, no new things, no new apps or features, I think it's just a tweaking of the operating system. Of course, lots of bug fixes in this build, and a shorter list of problems. So this is of course also something to check out. There's a shorter list of blue screen things and problems of all sorts. That list will of course get smaller and smaller, but it doesn't mean that there's not a lot of problems with it, because if you look at the amount of problems there were, known issues as they say, versus all the things they fixed a lot more than what was mentioned. So it kind of shows that there's actually a lot of stuff that was broken in there. So we're getting there slowly, and we of course will not have a lot to talk about in these new builds. And I think one of the things which is going to be interesting to see is, starting with the next build of Redstone 5, I will take the occasion of each build to talk about a specific new feature that is within these builds. I had done that last time we had a build. I had kind of slowly shown different new features at each build, and pretty much went through all the features as time went by. So we're going to start doing that, starting with next build. So if there's a build this week, of course, each build will come with, okay, I want to talk about a specific feature. Stability-wise, it's great. It works great. I got no issues. I've had absolutely no problem. The Edge browser works fine. The system itself is pretty fast, responds pretty well to pretty much everything I ask. And it's kind of just a cool build, very stable for me. And I got absolutely no issues in here. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.